In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically solve CAPTCHAs on Google Chrome using the Buster CAPTCHA Solver extension. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Buster CAPTCHA Solver for Humans in the Chrome Web Store. Select the official Buster extension from the search results. Click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. The installation takes just a few seconds. Once installed, the Buster CAPTCHA Solver will automatically appear in your extensions toolbar. Now let's test it. Go to any CAPTCHA demo site or any website that requires CAPTCHA verification. When you encounter a CAPTCHA challenge, instead of manually selecting images, the Buster extension will automatically solve it for you using audio recognition technology. This Chrome CAPTCHA bypass tool saves time and eliminates the frustration of repetitive CAPTCHA tests. Whether you're dealing with reCAPTCHA, image verification, or robot checks, Buster handles it seamlessly. And that's how you disable CAPTCHA verification on Google Chrome. The extension works automatically in the background for all future CAPTCHA challenges.